Good morning. Today is Friday and June 30. Tomorrow, July 1 na. Hala. Malapit na birthday ko tsaka baby shower ko. Let's eat. Uy, may cockroach kagabi dito. Dalawa yung pinatay ni Chris. Hindi namin alam kung saan galing yung cockroach. Te, may ok-ok gudre, te. B.E. So? Duol pa dito sa ako. Nabikay gud ako ang kuan. But ang kinitindog mo din ko.
Bisa man ang
ubi ko.
Lagi
kaya ka ko sa mat. Og sa dihang duol. Ulam ni Buntis today is salad na talong, adobong manok, tas isang mangga, and hinalong humay og mais na bugas. So guys, nahatid na namin si Rafi sa vet niya. Schedule niya ngayon para magpag-grooming tsaka linisin yung tenga niya tsaka yung mata niya. Pero schedule ata siya next week para sa surgery niya sa mata kasi yung mata niya nagbubulge na tsaka hindi na makakita. So kailangan siyang tanggalin para yung isang mata niya hindi ma-infect. Si Rafi 7 years old na kaya medyo matanda na siya and sakitin. Kaya lagi siyang pabalik-balik sa vet. Hopefully, maano na siya kasi umiiyak siya eh. Medyo makati yung tenga niya. Siguro may air mites. May air mites na naman. Even though, lagi naman nililinis yung tenga niya. Pero hindi kasi kami expert maglinis ang tenga niya. So, pinavet na lang namin. Then, yung vet namin is okay namin dun sa mental. So, napalinisan namin si Rafi, guys. Nagupitan na siya, nalinisan na yung tenga niya, tsaka yung mata niya scheduled for surgery ngayong Monday. Natutulog na siya. Oh. Gwapo na yung Rafi boy ko. Hi, Raf! Rafi! Oh, smells good na si Rafi boy. Ayan, maganda na si Rafi. 7 years old na kasi siya. Yung isang mata niya tatanggalin ngayong Monday para hindi ma-infect. Medyo na din yung mata niya, mabaho. Kasyang-kasya nga pala yung binigay namin na car cover, guys. Oh. Kasi pumunta kami ng Blade kahapon. Sabi nila, ay ma'am, mali yata yung binigay sa inyo sa Ace Hardware. Pang SUV to na cover. Pero nagkasya naman siya. Perfect na yung size niya eh. Isakto nga pala to, SUV. So kung meron kayong sasakyan na EcoSport, yung car cover na size na bibilhin nyo is SUV. Malinis ng fish pan dito, guys. Oh. Ay, masuklit po mga oranges yung kulay. Iklinik. Ganda. Fishy, fishy! Sabi ni Kes, nawala daw yung koi, kaya madaming lamok. Pero hindi naman, Hindi naman sila. Yung koi ng papa ko, iba-iba yung kulay. Dito, halos orange and black. So, plano namin magpa-request ng gate tsaka parang tent dun sa kabilang apartment kasi wala sila dun eh. Kailangan namin yung para sa kotse namin. And then, yung space niya, medyo maliit siya. Of course, maliit siya para dito. Mas malaki yung parking lot area dito. Pero dun sa, kabilang apartment, malaki nga yung bahay pero maliit yung parking area. Lagi ko nakakalimutan pala, guys, na wala pa kaming host sa party namin. Na ngayon? Friday na. So, next week, hopefully, sana open sila tomorrow kasi pupunta ko dun. Malapit naman dito. Pero nakakalimutan ko lagi na magpa-reserve. Kasi kailangan ko magpa-reserve talaga kasi madaming parties. Baka hindi vacant siya sa date na gusto ko. Kaya kailangan kong magpa-reserve soon.
I just got done taking a shower, brush my teeth, just relax, clean my face, and put on some wearable clothes. It's nice sometimes just to stay at home and relax. If you notice, I'm always wearing the same t-shirts. It's because I'm always tired. Whenever we go to the shopping mall, MFA asks me to buy clothes. I'm so tired to shop, so I'm gonna ask her if she could buy on Instagram or Shopee or something like that. Online shopping is harder because you don't know if it's the right size, but it's easier because they deliver it to your home. And I'm sweating now a little bit because I was outside. I bought some meat bread. It's a bread that inside there's meat, kind of like a cream-filled donut, but it's meat. My love, we're back. We bought some barbecues. Are you ready to eat?
Oh, oh my goodness.
Oh no, it's not filming the bottom.
Yeah.
Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Let's see what we got. And this is a barbecue we got. Tita Marcia's gonna open it up. That's from his medicine right here. for her pregnancy. Or vitamins. So Tita, you're gonna eat today, right? She's gonna eat some liver. That looks good. Some barbecue. What is that called? The sausage? Is that Tita?
Chorizo.
Chorizo. Then we have this one.
Yeah. Tall leg. Hot leg.
You don't want to eat one of the chickens, Tita? What are you gonna eat?
Liver.
I'm gonna get Fema because it's time to eat. And it looks like the rice is done, or the mat is. Whatever that is. What's wrong, Tita? What's wrong with the liver?
Baboy.
Are you sure? Wouldn't it be bigger than that? I think that's liver of chicken. I think that's liver of chicken because the baboy is so big.
Liver?
That's so gamay.
It is slice.
Huh?
Slice.
Slice?
Yeah.
Oh, so they're...
The liver chicken is
So
you need to slice.
it's kulang.
Mm.
They slice the liver so it's smaller than it usually is. Everyone is happy. They're eating barbecue. I'm glad Tita Marcel is eating. A lot of times she hides from us. She doesn't eat when we're there.
She ate with me.
Oh, she doesn't eat with me.
Hindi pa natapos yung makeup ko, guys. Kumain kasi ako. Nag-meditate si Chris. Sumakit na naman yung dyan ko kanina. I'll finish putting makeup on, ha? Kasi mag-film pa ako, guys.
Fema is busy getting ready for her latest YouTube video on her Mommy Cocoons channel. So, Mrs. Emma Faye Rice, how did you come up with Mommy Cocoons? Where'd you get the name?
It's like ABS-CBN interview.
Where'd you get the name Mommy Cocoons? Mommy's Cocoon.
Because I'm pregnant.
Her tummy is a cocoon.
I don't know. It just popped up in my head.
I enjoy-
decided to name it like that because he told me, think what name that will best describe your feelings or like at least
Be unique for you or really...
that there's meaning.
Oh yeah. I wanted her to have a meaningful channel, not just like a trendy name like what everybody's doing. I wanted her to have her own, and she really came up with a good one. It really reflects her, cause her tummy's a cocoon. I really enjoy Fema's YouTube channels. It makes me happy because I'm not good at editing, but I just talk and then she's the one that edits. So, salamat.
Time check, 9:29 p.m. Nag-film ako kanina dyan, ng, ng story ko about my ectopic pregnancy and PCOS. So, tapos ko yung, story ng ectopic pregnancy ko, pero hindi ko natapos yung PCOS. So, babalikan ko na lang yung bukas. Mag-start ulit ako sa PCOS story ko kasi wala akong extra batteries sa dalawang camera ko. Yung isang battery na sana, pampamalit sana sa isang camera ko. Sira ata siya, guys. Kasi naman hindi siya original. Lang, class A lang siya. Tapos yung battery naman ng, ng vlogging camera ko, na ginamit ko sana sa, pag-film ko kanina, nawala ko yun. So, nag-order pa ako ng panibagong battery. So, ngayon, gamit ko na lang yung cellphone ko kasi hindi ko pa na-close yung vlog namin. So, bukas, I will continue again with my filming doon sa sinimulan ko. So bukas, tatapusin ko yan bukas para ma-upload ko yan din bukas kasi schedule ko na mag-upload sa second channel ko is every Saturday and Wednesday. I'm hoping na sana ma-reach ko yung goal na yan kasi gusto kong disiplinado ako sa mga uploads kanyan. Medyo inaantok na ako and kailangan ko pang mag-edit sa vlog ngayon. So sa-sign off na ako. Napakainit kasi dito ako nag-film sa living room, hindi doon sa sa kwarto namin. Mulan pa kanina. Mainit talaga kasi yung lights naka-on lahat. So thank you guys for watching and hi Chris.
Hey. I can't see myself.
Yeah, siya yung tumutulong sa akin na mag-set yung mga lights kanina. My husband is so sweet to help me with my lightings. And kanina medyo napikon ako kasi, hindi sa kanya, medyo napikon ako sa mga lightings ko kasi hindi ko na malala kung anong setup ko nung last year sa mga lightings ko. So ngayon ko lang in-adjust and ang tagal. Ang tagal pag hindi pag wala kang filming setup or ganyan, pero okay lang. So that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching and we hope to see you in our next one. Bye!